What about it? We don't do much hedge trimming on this channel. However,
when a load of new Kress stuff arrives, we have to put it to the test.
And what else?
Oh, time to trim our balls. So this is what we've got. Let's get it tested. So I keep cutting the hedge from this end down, and that's just due to personal preference. But another thing that makes it really easy is the fact that this twists, makes it very ergonomic to walk down with. Another thing, you've noticed I'm wearing this harness for the battery. Takes all the weight out of this, which makes it a lot easier on my arms as well. So my balls aren't exactly perfectly round, but I'll do my best on them. This is the first time using the Kress stuff on these balls, but can anybody in the comments let me know what's going on here? One of the things I'm noticing cutting the balls, with not having the battery on this unit, it's making it a lot lighter and easier to move around the bush here. My balls haven't felt so good in ages. Every time I do this, it shows up little bits that I still need to take a trim off. So this hedge is quite tricky and fiddly to cut, and with these hedge cutters, with this option, with this feature, makes it so much easier. The last hedge cutters we had didn't have that feature, and it made it a lot harder. So as you can see here, it's a multi-stage adjustment. So it's not just one turn and you're done. You've got different options depending on what you're cutting. Looking up my balls. I take it you got that on camera? That's not even on full power, and watch this. This bit's particularly tricky because it's curved. I'm not too sure if the camera picks it up, but it curves round, so it makes it a bit more difficult to get round sweeping. So that's why I'm going on upright like that. Big boy. Safety first. Battery out. So they put this bit on just for Robbie, so we know which way the blade goes.
Thanks for that.
Don't forget your mulching plug.